Today we have an Audi R8 V10 Plus in. It's also customer 001 in this new place of ours. So this car will actually have quite a special place in my heart, and it will for all of us here, for the reason that this was the first car that was in our new facility here, which is quite cool. So these customers, really nice couple actually, they've driven across the country to come here today for a few additional carbon bits. And they said last time they didn't want any more, but we found some more bits. And why don't you come over here, Sam, and show me what bits you've got. That's one of them. Yeah. Nice. So this is a side skirt, I believe.
I hope so.
Yeah, I hope so.
I'm supposed to be.
Yeah. So these are in the same Audi performance style, so they're replicas of the genuine Audi part, which is quite a cool part as well. They're full carbon fibre as well, so you can see on the underside. Nice piece of kit. They also fit really easily. Obviously, I don't do the work, so they're very easy to install.
Yeah, they are for you.
They are for me, yeah.
Don't even have to get your hands dirty.
They add quite a lot to the car. They don't lower it by a great deal. They're not massively thick, but they give quite a bit of extra width to the side profile. Yeah. Presence is the right word.
And they're going to tie in nicely with the factory carbon that's already
Absolutely.
on there.
So along with these today, we've also got a cross brace, which is a new addition. I'm going to put my skiing pole like that. The new addition is the carbon X brace in the engine base. That's going to go on there as well. And this is a part we've installed on a facelift car. I'm going to pass you that. So we look forward to seeing that on, getting all this carbon on the car. It's going to look special. So get yourself involved in this video. It's going to be a fun one. We've now finished the installation on this beautiful car. I'm just wondering whether this paint colour might actually be my new favourite. It just pops in the sun, it's amazing. But let's go to the side skirts. So these are now installed, both obviously left and right hand side. Quite a nice easy part to fit. It's more about the prep work, making sure that you've got the under sills nice and clean, because they normally get a lot of muck, and obviously a lot of owners normally don't get right underneath the car to clean it, which is quite normal. So they're on, they look great, they give a nice little bit of stance to the car. They're quite in keeping with everything else, so it doesn't need necessarily the rest of the performance pack for those to work well. So they look really nice on the car. And yeah, just tie in the front and the back of the car, because there's obviously not a load of carbon down at the bottom. If you come and work your way towards the back of the car here, you'll see also what we've done with this lovely cross brace as well. So this has got the colour gradient at the back and the front, which you don't see because of the firewall panels. It obviously goes through black and into a nice clear coated finish part, and it's the same 2x2 twill as well, so it matches all of the other engine bay carbon, which all of the other parts that you can see here are also parts that we produce here at Carbonwurks. So really nice finishing on the back, and you've got this massive great big glass here, great big screen for the world to see. It seems almost a bit of a shame that you can't see a lovely engine bay all the time, but with that showing all the carbon off, it's just amazing. So looks absolutely fantastic. We're chuffed to bits with the way obviously all this fits and goes on, and hopefully the customer's going to have many miles of enjoyment. So hope you have enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you guys soon.